Assalamu alaikum. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? Today I am here with new tricks of speaking English, good speaking English fluently, and with good skills. Consistent practice key to improve any skill, including speaking English. Try to speak English every day, even it's just for a minute. Number two, learn many words and phrases regularly. Read books, newspapers, and watch movies to expose yourself in different words and expressions. Number three, listen carefully, pay attention to native speakers when they talk. This will help you with pronunciation, intonation, and understanding different accent. Number four, speak slowly and clearly.